got my man Ibrahim right here.
Yo, you know what it is.
What we doing? What we doing?
Freestyling, painting, having fun in the rain, man. That's how we living our life.
Word up. The fly lady die in the house.
Die in the house. It's about to rain.
Yeah.
Paint the gym right now.
Ibrahim, Fly Lady Die. Painting is about to rain live. This was stuff, this is how we do. New York, this is Brooklyn. Pure love right here. Physical manifestation of solid gold. So, you got DJ Hard Hitting Harry. You got Rasu Jelani.
What up,
man? You set this up for us. We all good. We right here. We got it. Let's get a two-step. Let's get some two-steps. What? What?